Okay, well quit stopping. Just make one long video. Just make one long video. Do your waddle, Veronica. Come on.
I can't get him to do it.
Do your waddle. She's recording.
Say hello, Kimber.
Hi.
Here, Dad, you take it. I'm gonna go out there and dance.
Ready?
Oh my God. Do it again. Y'all go play. That is too freaking cute. Oh, and here's little Miss No Personality Kimber. What? I was talking about little Miss No Personality Kimber over here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at Harper. She's like all excited. That's a lot of water hunter there, Libby. Go get out there, Libby. Go play. Come on, Libby, go. No, no, don't put your shoes on. Go. Look at your crazy mom. This is too cute. Where are you going?
That's the ones I can find. Don't worry about it.
You're over the bed! Shut up!
You have dry spots on your shirt.
This is so fun.
Oh, I hate Kimber!
What happened? Oh, a little bit of mud? Wait, look at me. A little bit of mud?
How do you touch that? Say hi, Daddy!
Wave to the camera, my children.
How long has it been?
4 minutes and 57 seconds. 58
Mommy,
seconds.
save me! You got 3 seconds to get the hell out of my way. Mommy, no! Oh, bird! What you get? Mama! I got mom too.
And I saw Cindy hug. That's one. That's so good.
Say hi.
Hi, bitch. Don't drink that, Kalina. I got to drink it. Don't put that in your mouth.
It's great.
Kalina, that is running off the roof.
Ew. Yeah.
That is gross.
Sean just got me on video talking about roast fish.
You're still right here, right now. Come on.
Woo!
So this is our Air Force girl that in her spare time will be a stripper.
I'm not gonna be a stripper! Ah! Scar my tits! Ah! Use that. It's easier just to get in it. You get enough money?
Landon, you should be out here, dude. This is funny.
It's called Rosie.
Yes, you take my clothes.
Come here, baby. Come here.
That's okay, baby. You can change later. Let's play in water.
Look, touch it. Touch it. Come here. Mommy! Say, damn it!
I had mud in my hand.
Did you see Kalina and Kimber?
Yeah,
They waddled all the way out to the end.
Get it!
Yeah, I guess I'll go out.
Now you're gonna go.
No! Baby!
Kimber's on here.
Hey.
Yeah. God.
Oh my God! Is that straight mud? Oh my God!
Wait, now you gotta let me do the Indian stripe.
Come here.
There.
Wow.
Mommy?
No. Somebody has to go in and clean and get ready to take showers. No, don't.
It's just on your face.
Don't.
It can't hurt if it's right there or right there or maybe, you know, just a little bit right there and right there. You know? I know.
Sean's doing a mud mask.
Wow.
Come on, you got Master Daddy.
Landon.
Oh, I
What's
gotta
up,
get
dude?
this off my face. You look awesome.
Please don't get it in my hair.
Go play.
Don't get it in my hair. I promise.
Oh my God, really?
Well, you can help her get her flip flops. Those are gonna fall apart.
Okay, wait, Daddy, hold on.
You realize I'm rinsing off
Just no flip flops.
Daddy, hold my watch. Hold my watch.
Harper, don't wear those shoes. You're gonna fall.
Oh. Thank you, buddy.
Sean.
What? Come on, do it again. Excellent.
Oh, you gotta move.
Landon, come back up here and take your shoes off, dude. Just go at it.
Why pay for a mud bath when you live in the country? Oh, that shit's cold going down my crack. Lennon, I will hurt you. Remember your dinosaurs. Alright, that's it. We'll move.
Alright, now we gotta
Do
get
you have
Landon.
bleach?
Hey, it's time to get Landon.
Sean, do you have bleach?
Let's get Landon.
Sean, do you have bleach? I have.
We have bleach.
Good. My stuff.
Why?
Here, Daddy, get my shoes off. Get my shoes off.
Shoes.
Oh no!
Let him
Oh,
get
you got got.
Oh, guys, get my shoes off. Wait, in my car, in my socks.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
I got a hand. Watch out, girl.
Uh-oh.
Guys, I already have mine.
Move. It's okay. Me too. We got a whole pile of
Oh!
Oh yeah, watch it there, baby.
It's okay. It's okay.
We'll get it out.
Did you take your shirt off?
You can get it out. It's not ours. We'll get it out.
Turn off. There you go. Let her.
Shit, my belt.
Oh my God, mud fights, really?
Do you see your son?
Mark, maybe if you don't want to get hit with mud, you better move.
I thought you were going to get pegged. And I'm gonna laugh my ass off.
No.
Blech.
Let me take my belt off. You might as well just go
Landon, not too much, buddy. Not too much.
Daddy, look what?
We're gonna have to make sure we clean out his ears really good tonight. Because Kimber didn't know about his ears. She.
Oh no. Okay.
Make sure you clean his ears out.
All right.
Hey, butt slap.
Hey, this isn't fair. Y'all are ganging up on me. Go out there and I'll come.
Alright. Hold on.
Now do you see why I asked if you had bleach?
Which part?
Said now do you see why I asked why you
Yes, I completely understand.
had bleach? She's fixing to run on her too.
She's not digging the mud.
Come on.
She wants to play. Cheating ass. She wants to play.
Come here, Landon.
Somebody hitting me. Wait, you're Mexican?
What'd he say?
Wait, you're Mexican?
Hey, you see a Mexican? It's okay. It's not on you. It's okay. It's fine. Landon's making me a Mexican.
You got shit in your
Landon,
mouth.
just get out here.
That's what she's freaking out about.
What?
Her like bracelet. Hang on, mommy, I'll get it to you. Now go watch your finger. I know why you're having